Hello guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video we are in Addota goat farm right now. So you can see in my back, you can see some of the goats walking around. Like in one of our previous video, we show you guys how we can start up a goat business, and Addota has already starting up their own goat farm. So in today's I'm just here to update you guys on how the farm has been going. Well, so far so good. The goat has been turning out well. So far so good. They have been turning out well. In short, most of the goats are pregnant, so we are happy. We stock about 40 goats in this farm, and they have been turning out well. We none of them has died, and we haven't had any outbreak in this farm yet, so we are very happy. Although one of the challenges that we are facing right now is their feed. Because we are in the dry season. Rain hasn't started falling that much, so grass is not yet matured or are not yet grown out yet. So we have been feeding them. So their feeding is quite expensive. So although we have been trying to beat down the cost of feed, so we have been trying so hard. So we have been giving them corn brown and cassava peel, dried one, not a wet one, cassava peel dried one, like the one showing on the screen. Giving them corn brown and cassava peel, and also wheat brown. So these are what we have been feeding our goats for now. So if you are thinking of starting up a goat farm is lucrative and is economical. If you go into it, you will love it, because at the end of the year, or at the end of the future, or in the nearest future, you'll see that you are going to make more money from goat business. And also one more thing is, I just want to share these little ideas with you guys also. These all sound as an advice to you guys. If you have a goat farm already, or you are thinking of starting up a goat farm, one thing that you need to put into consideration is their age difference. Put their age difference into consideration, because it matters a lot. In our goat farm, we have been experiencing some challenges due to their age difference. In this particular video, like the one showing on the screen right now, you can see the particular male goat that has been held by the guy, the person taking care of this farm for us. The goat is disturbing the female goat here a lot. In short, most of it is disturbing all the goats here, because it's more bigger than them, and the age difference also. So the goat has been bullying the female goat, and because of that, it has been causing some damages to the female goats. Most of them are losing pregnant. Like we have 2 already that have lost their pregnancy due to the that the goat is bullying them, and it's not okay. We are not happy because of that. So we have preferred solution to it by tying the goat down during their feeding process for some times, to see if that will stop what the goat is doing. But although so far so good, everything is going well. So it's an advice to you guys also, in case if you start up something like this, their age difference matters a lot. Consider it before you go into goat business. In this particular farm, we started with 2 acres of land, like the one showing on the screen. It's quite big also, but the goats inside are few, but nevertheless we'll continue with that amount. So goat business is lucrative. If you are thinking of starting up something like this, I give you my go ahead. You can go on and start up your goat business. And if you know nothing about this goat business and you are curious about it, I want to know, you are free to contact me, and let's get to know each other, and I can give you some few guidelines concerning this goat business. So I remain Julius Obasanjo, and if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to Addota Farm. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when next we drop in new videos. Like I said, I'll keep on updating you guys whenever you see that the goats are start delivering. We'll keep on updating you guys. More videos will be shown concerning this goat farm.